everyone. This is our cat, Dilemma. And in the last show, I was trying to do it to Sirius, but Sirius was throwing a huge hissy fit, so I decided to do it to Dilemma. He doesn't get. Yeah, it's her cat. And you know they could see you, right? They could see you. Yeah. And so what I'm gonna do is that he hates this, but he doesn't try to get away, so I love doing it to him. Okay, this is called the vampire kitty. And the second I'm gonna get a hold of him. Okay, vampire kitty says hi. Hello world, vampire kitty. Okay, he loves that. He loves it. Okay, so cute. Now he's gonna do the smile monster. Okay, so that's how he does it. Okay, and also, his name is Pokey. Okay, I am going to be speaking married. I love the best. I love Tiki Man. Everyone say hi to Tiki Man. Hi Tiki Man, hi Tiki Man. Tiki. And Chubby said a bad word.
I said cereal. I didn't say anything bad.
You didn't let me say that to me. Tiki Man. Tiki Man says hi to everyone. Tiki Man will be in the next show. Thank you. I'll be right back.